so big. We need to like make it small next time, I think. Wow. Hello.
Hey guys. We are
Mix Familia sa America. I'm Mix Familia Mom.
And I'm Mix Kid Izzy.
Today we're going to be doing what?
We're going to be doing Mission 5, Lesson 20.
Answer. Okay, so let's go.
Great to see you, Fractionator. Let's warm up.
Let's warm up.
What do you get when you add one banana and one apple?
Well, I know we don't get bananas. It's just two pieces of fruit.
That's right. We can't add one banana and one apple like this because the units are not the same. We need to find a way to rename
the units. So they're talking about banana and apple.
That could be like a 20 and this could be a 15.
Baby, go get my pen. Hold on. Okay, got the pen. So they're saying it's different units because basically this would be like for fraction. Basically one banana. That's what they're saying. One banana. It's too big. Hold on, I'll put it right here. One banana plus one apple. See that? So they're different. Oh, why it's apple? I mean apple. Okay, they're different units. So you know the denominators, different units.
Yeah.
Okay, play.
the banana and apple as the same unit, like pieces of fruit.
Sorry,
One piece of fruit plus
allergies.
one piece of fruit is two pieces of fruit. Keep this in mind as you think about this next problem.
Can we add 1/3 plus 1/6?
The units are different. Thirds and sixths. The units need to be the same to add, like with the pieces of fruit.
Right. Let's decompose to make like units.
Like units.
Model 1/3.
So okay, 1/3. That means
We got
3 parts.
3 parts and
Hold
only
on.
one of them.
We got 3 parts. 1, 2, 3. Not just shaded. All of it. And then 1 out of 3. 1/3. 1 shaded up.
Model 1/6.
So that
Same
means
thing.
that means you got 6 parts. Are you counting them correctly? Okay.
Decompose thirds to make like units with 6.
Now it's 6.
Now this is 1. Oh, no, 2.
Banana and apple as the same unit,
Okay, hold
like
on.
pieces of
Yeah.
fruit. One piece of fruit plus one piece of fruit
Okay.
is two
So
pieces of
we
fruit.
decompose this
Keep
little
this in
dots
mind
over
as you
there.
think about this next problem.
Decomposing it to make it 6, and now we've got 1, 2. It's hard to write on this screen. 3.
The units are
4,
different.
5,
Thirds
6.
and
We've got 6
sixths.
parts.
The
Just
units
like
need to be
over
the
here.
same to add,
2, 3,
like with the
4,
pieces of
5,
fruit.
6.
Right. Let's
And now instead of
decompose to
just
make like
1,
units.
Oh, that's right, they can't see that. Instead of just 1 right here, there's 2 now. So that's why it's 2. It's 2 here. 2 out of 6. This is 1, because there's 3 here. 1. Oh God. 1, 2, 3. Can they see this dot? This purple dot?
I'm pretty sure they
I
could.
think so. Okay. Next.
What?
If you bring your arrow.
I modeled 1/3 and then 1/6 on tape diagrams that are the same size. Then I decomposed each third into 2 equal parts to make like units, 6. 1/3 and 2/6 take up the same area, so 1/3 is equivalent to 2/6.
Looking good. How can we rewrite our math sentence?
Rewrite our math sentence.
Oops. Which equals.
Now, okay, hold on. They were like, okay, that 1/3. Where did you get? And they're gonna be like, where did you get 2 6 from? Okay, we changed from over here. We decomposed that 1/3 and turn it into 2 6. That way we have the same. Whoa. Can I undo or have to erase? Maybe that was undo.
This is undo, Mama.
Yeah. Okay. Oh, I already erased it. You undo further then.
Oops.
Okay, we decompose that 1/3 into 2 6. That way our units will be the same with that. That's why this 1/3 right here turn into that 2 6 there. That's how we got.
Oops.
1/3 plus 1/6 equals 2 6 plus 1 6. And that's 3 6.
Correctamundo. Let's tackle another one.
Okay, we're going to.
I
I'm
modeled
gonna do
1/3
this on
and then 1/6
fraction and shade
on
and
tape diagrams that are the
to
same
show
size.
1/2 and 1/8.
Then I decomposed each third into 2 equal parts to make like units. 6,
1/2.
1/3 and 2
Okay,
6
the trick to
take
do
up the
this kind of
same
stuff.
area.
First,
So 1/3
is
is
cut it in
equivalent
the
to
middle.
2 6.
Get it in the middle. This
Looking
one you need
good.
to do better.
How can we rewrite our math
Then
sentence?
I'm gonna cut that one in the middle also. I know I have to have 4 in this side. Cut that in the middle so I can cut that in the middle. There. Okay. And then how many do you have to shade?
Shade and 1.
Okay.
There.
There.
So it's not gonna show up when we hit this button.
Well, then work the whole thing. So we have to turn this 1/2, that unit, to be the same here. So let's shade this carefully.
Oh, hold on. Let's.
Hold on.
Oh wait.
Linnea, do you have an idea now what we're supposed to do?
Yes.
Let's shade this way. Maybe we can use a
should have
different color.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, let's use a different color.
Let's use red. Red stand out.
That's what it is. It gets mad when I click it all the time. Click more. Well, it's not letting me. Oh.
Okay.
Oh gosh. Okay, now shade 1/2 with the red. Now we will know.
1/3 plus 1/6
Wow.
equals 2 6
Really?
plus 1/6,
Yes.
and that's
Kind
3
of.
6.
Kind of.
Correct,
Okay, now
Amundo.
what do we do to this 1/2 here?
Let's tackle another
So we
one.
can add it
I'm gonna
because we can add it into.
put it back into purple. Okay,
So
so
you'll know your lines.
now we need to make 1/2 into 1/8. So I'm going to split it to make it 1/8, and I need to split it. I need to do
Like what I just said. We need 4 here. We need 4 there. So I need. Yep. Oh God. You get it.
getting better.
So now how many? So now the 1/2 turns into what?
In 1/2 now is 4 8s. I'm getting
Yes.
better.
Now it's 4 8s. That's right. And so we put it over here. Well, we should have moved. Okay, so that's how you do that. Now you can add basically, I'll write it over here. Basically 1/2 plus 1/8 is equal to, so that 1/2 turned into,
4 8.
yep, 4 8 plus
Plus 1/8.
1/8. Now they have the same unit.
Equal.
Now they have the same unit. Say they're both in 8s now, so you could easily just add the numerator.
And that equals 5 8s.
Okay, that's good and everything. I want to show you some
Okay.
way that I do this. I mean, you have. I know that you know how to do that one. So 1/2 plus 1/8 to get it without having to do that. You would go 1 times 8 is what?
1 times 8 is 8.
And then you take your sign, whatever your sign over here, if it's subtraction or addition. And then you go 2 times 1
2 times 1 is 2.
is 2, and then you go, oh, I should have been doing this. So this was 1 times 8, 8. 2 times 1, 2. And then at the bottom you go 2 times 8 is what?
2 times 8 is 16.
16. Now 8 plus 2
8 plus 2 is 10.
is 10 over 16. You simplify this. Do you know how to do you know what simplify means? Gonna make it into simplify.
Like a smaller number. Let's
Divide.
do 2.
Divide by 2. Now 10 divided by 2
is 5.
5 over 16 divided by 2.
8.
Ah,
Wow.
is it the same?
Yes, it is the
Is
same.
it? Yeah. Look at that.
Okay, let's
So now, so you can do that with, without having to do your, what is this, tape diagram? But at least I know that you know how to do it because you just showed me right here. So you could go, just remember this cross. Go this way. Chook, chook. Who's that? And then your sign, and then you multiply this one that way. I mean, there's another way also.
come in.
It's finding the greatest multiple.
You want me to open it?
Okay, pause. We'll get a bit.
Okay.
Alright, and then there's another way to do this. So let's remember 1/2 plus 1/8. I just want to give you all of this. Oh,
So good.
then you'll just come back.
Yeah.
Have our whiteboard. 1/2 plus, what was it?
Oh, no, this is the previous. This is
Herbivores.
herbivores.
Oh, hold on.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Is this my whiteboard from school? Why did it get sent here?
Maybe because it's the same.
Okay, so it was 1/2 plus 1/8. So you already did the tape diagram, and then I told you the cross multiplication thing. Also over here, another strategy is you multiply this fraction, this 1/2, your first fraction, multiply it by the denominator of the other fraction. So you would go 1/2 times 8 times 8. Oh God, baby. It's like, why you just asked for the pen? You want to write and look.
8 and this 16.
Okay, it's 16, and then we multiply this our second fraction. So you would go 1/8, multiply it by the denominator of the other
I
fraction.
feel like this is
Okay,
a little
hold on.
familiar.
It's a little familiar. So 2, because whatever you multiply at the top, you have to multiply at the bottom. Okay, go ahead. My goodness, baby.
Two.
Now they have the same units. So now it's really 816 plus 2
216
equals. Come on, baby, say it.
Is 1016.
1016. Remember our simplification. 1016. We divide it by what?
We divided by 2
Divide by 2 equals.
5 and 8.
Did we have 5/8?
Yes, wow.
There's many other ways we can do number line. Okay, where were we?
I remember it all the time.
Okay.
Okay, we already did this part.
My tape diagrams look like this: 1/2
That's what you
and
did.
1/8. We can decompose halves to make eighths because halves are bigger than eighths.
Try it.
Try it.
She did it. We already did.
We did it. We did it.
Good job.
Lucas.
I decomposed each half into 2 equal parts, and then decomposed each part in half again to make eighths. There are 4 eighths in 1 half. 4 eighths plus 1 eighth is 5 eighths. So 1 half plus 1 eighth is equal to 5 eighths.
Boom, boom, wow.
What? Boom, boom, wow.
Another chance to learn coming right up. Stick with it.
Which unit is larger? The thirds. Well,
I mean,
the
yeah.
thirds look way bigger than the 12s.
Yes, well, remember what I told you. It's over there. This.
The same numerator.
Oh, well,
and
this one is not the
fraction.
same. The smaller the denominator, the bigger the fraction.
is. Oh, yeah. The smaller the
The
denominator,
denominator.
the bigger the fraction is. So thirds.
Because the units, your pieces, you're in your pizza. The more cuts in there, the smaller the piece of pizza you're gonna get, right?
Yes, it's
So
true.
so think about your pizza. If it's just cut into 4, I mean, if there's only 4 slices in there, that means compared to if they sliced it into 8 slices. Now, with the 4 slices, your piece is gonna be bigger than that. Yeah, than the pizza.
Which unit should we decompose to make like units? Thirds?
The bigger one. We have to decompose the bigger one.
Decompose thirds? Oh, I already know it's gonna
Here, let's move.
Four.
Let's move this over there. Okay.
I already know we gotta make it. Wait, 1, 2, 3 times 3, 9, 12. Because 4 times 3 is 12. Oh gosh, now it's 8. Well,
Okay. Again, let's. Oh, 2/3. It was 3, and then like, how do we know when to stop making the lines? Okay. It's just wow. It's just we're trying to make this. The cut in here, these, or all these, hold on. We're trying to make sure all of this, maybe, I don't know how maybe these cuts in here, we're trying to make it the same, this part into here. We're trying to make it into 12, because this one has 12 in here. Is this, can't scroll it up. And there you go, yes. There. So we need this. This was in here. How do we know how many do we need to put over here? We're just trying to make our parts here the same to here. We're trying to make it into 12. So we're just gonna keep on. You just gotta count. Okay? Like
Or
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now I've got 12. The same here.
or like I always do. So like we said, we're trying to make 3 turn into 12.
Mm-hmm.
So I got my 3, and I know that 3 times 4 equals 12.
Mm-hmm.
So I just split it apart in fourths. I don't.
Each third, yeah.
Each third in fourths.
If you could draw a little nicer, I like that explanation. Yes, if you already know. So what are you trying to get to? I'm trying to get to 12, and then I already have 3. So she's saying I need to multiply that 3 into 4 so I can get to 12. So she's saying I need each third. I want to make sure that there's 4 in there. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Like 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yes.
Yeah. And then, it continues. All of that has to have 4, like each of your thirds.
Or if you rather do division, you can do if you rather do division, you can do 3 divided 12.
12.
12 divided by 3.
Okay, well, we can write it that way. Okay, then she's saying 12 divided by 3 is equal to 4.
If you want to do it like that.
Yeah. Okay.
Wait a minute. I want to see something.
Which one did you press?
I pressed the mouse.
Ah, like it says use the mouse instead of the pen. See, there's the pen. Then you can use the mouse. Well, look, so we can keep it there, I guess, and then but then our ink would always be just right there. Okay.
Anyways, rename the fraction 2/3
As 12.
as 12 and solve.
Okay.
Oops. Every time.
Okay, it's 8 now because we're just renaming this.
Yes.
We're renaming this right here, the 2/3, into 12 because we need to make it the same with this one so we can easily add it.
Yes.
So now instead of just saying 2, we're counting how many shaded little pieces now. In the 12 parts, there's 8 shaded. Now we can just add 8 plus 3, which is what?
8 plus 3
Okay,
is
hold on. You're not in
oops, 11.
And then you keep your denominator.
Yes.
Sophie,
We're adding 2/3 and 3/12.
Hold on, pause. Okay.
So we have to make them the same unit. Thirds are larger, so I decompose each third in half, and then in half again to make 12ths. There are 8 12ths and 2/3. 8 12ths plus 3 12ths equals 11 12ths.
you got it. We just added thirds and twelfths by finding a common denominator. Here, our common denominator was 12. Let's do another one.
Estimate whether the sum is greater than or less than 1.
It's just estimate. So you just look at it. Estimate. They don't have to be. I mean,
It doesn't have to be true.
the exact. No, the exact.
It's
You need to be close. It's a guess.
Guess, yes, a
Estimate.
guess.
But estimate is better than guess because it need to be. I mean, it's like
I
you need to
thi-
be closer to what it should be.
I think the one. So we've got 6 pieces, and I only have 1 of that 6. And we have 12 pieces, and I only take 3 of that piece. So.
So think of you're turning this into
12.
12. So
And
what
then
happens
2.
over there if you turn this into 12?
I'm going to times these by 2.
Okay, then
And
whatever
it's
you
gonna
do
be
at the bottom,
2.
that's right.
That's gonna be 2, and so then the 3 is gonna be bigger.
That's not the question.
Oh,
Maybe the sum.
The sum. Okay, that's 5 12s.
So is it gonna be greater than or less than 1?
Greater than.
Greater than 1 if it's 5 12?
Oh, no, it's less than.
Because what is 1 in the 12?
12 12.
12 12. Yeah, and then half of 12 is 6. So 6 12 is just half. This is not even gonna be half of 12. So how could it be greater than?
I misunderstood. I just thought that that they're talking about which one is gonna be greater, 1 6 or 3 12s.
Okay.
So.
Well, it's the sum. The sum. So pay attention to the question. The sum. Sum means the what? The answer of.
The answer of question.
What question?
The
Addition.
addition.
1/6 is less than 1/2,
Maybe.
and so is 3 12ths.
What?
So when we add them, the sum will be less than 1.
That's right.
Close.
Keep going.
Okay, now we're doing, what is this? Number line.
Number line. Partition your number line into 6.
Oh God.
Oops. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Don't try to be
Oh,
in a
I
hurry,
see,
baby.
I
Yes,
see.
yes.
We're adding 1/6 plus 3/12. Decomposing it. Oh, I know. We just
Yeah,
just
you
like
just
that.
make it into 12.
1/6 is now equal to.
So
Wait,
where
no,
was
wait, hold on.
1/6? So here.
Whoa.
1/6 was right here.
Yep.
So what is it now?
It is now 2/12.
Okay.
First, I split my number line into 6. I knew I needed to find like units in order to add 1/6 plus 3/12. So I decomposed each 6 in half. That made 12s. So 12s is our common denominator.
Right. Time to add.
Time to add. Plot a point at 1/6.
Okay.
Count up to add 3/12. Plot point.
Count loudly. 1.
1.
No, you don't start. Where?
Oh. 1, 2, 3. So it's equal to 5/12.
Okay. Hold on, baby. Okay. Well, at first we were just. It's like, what is this over here? We were just plotting the what? 1/6. First we plotted 1/6.
Which
That's what the arrow. Basically, it's this big, the 1/6 right here. I mean, in 6 parts. See this, the big lines. And then this was 1/6. And then the 3/12, and then when we decompose it and make it into 12 parts, that's why it's all over there, all these numbers at the top, all these numbers at the top were 12s, and then the 1/6 is right here at the 2/12. Then we got to add 3 from that, so that this hop right here, 1, 2, 3, and then it is 5/12.
Yep.
Okay.
To show 1/6 plus 3/12, we start at 0 and add 1/6. Then we add 3/12 more. That gets us to 5/12. 1/6 plus 3/12 equals 5/12. One more step.
One more step. Oh, I see.
So 1/6 was
2/12
2/12, and this
equals 5/12.
12. That was from our number line, the 2/12. Or you did what you did. You're trying to turn this 6 into 12, and you said I have to multiply it by 2, and then whatever you do at the bottom, you gotta do at the top to make it equal. Equal. That's just 2/12.
1/6 equals 2/12. So we can rewrite our math sentence with like denominators like this. 2/12 plus 3/12 equals 5/12.
I love it. Nice work today, adding with common denominators. I think you're ready for a little more learning in the Tower of Power.
Okay.
You're doing the Tower of Power by yourself?
By myself. Okay.
Okay.
All right.